In this video, I'll show you how to download Amazon Prime videos on your laptop. After following this guide, you can watch Prime Video offline. You can also manage your downloads locally on your computer. So, let's get started. The first method is using the official Amazon Prime Video app. You can use it on Windows or Mac computers. Make sure you have a Prime or Prime Video membership. Open the app. Find the movie or TV show you want. Click the download button. For TV shows, you can download the whole season, or choose individual episodes. Then, select your video quality, choose your preferred audio language. Click Start Download. Once the download is complete, you can watch it offline inside the Prime Video app. You can also customize subtitles while watching. However, this method has some limitations. Not every title is available for download. Downloaded videos also have expiration limits. If you don't watch them, downloads usually expire after 30 days. After you start watching, they may expire after 48 hours. And if you cancel your membership, your downloads will be removed. So, if you want more flexible downloads, you can try VidiFab Streaming Video Downloader. It lets you download Prime Video videos as HD MP4 or MKV files. Your downloads won't expire, and you can play them on more devices. To get started, install VidiFab on your Windows or Mac computer. Open the software. First, choose an output folder for your downloads. Then, set the output format. Customize the video quality if needed. Click OK to save your settings. Next, open the Amazon Prime Video player inside VidiFab. Find the video you want. Click the download button. Choose your video quality. Select audio tracks and subtitle languages. For TV shows, you can download multiple episodes at once. Here, I'll download one episode as an example. Click Download to start. Once finished, click the folder icon. You will find the downloaded video in your selected folder. You can play it with your default media player. Now, you can watch it offline anytime. Remember, this method is for personal use only. We also created a detailed guide for Android, iPhone, Windows, and Mac download steps. You can find the link in the description. I hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching.